Sleep is a problem for many, many people, in fact, too many people. And there's an incompatibility between stress and sleep. So our sleep protocol starts with rescue. If we can solve your stress response, we help aid in your sleep. We improve your sleep quality just by managing your stress response. However, we created and launched in November of 2021 Deep Sleep. This is the most complicated physics we've ever created. It took us 9 years to invent this. Why? We didn't want you to have to wear a headphone to go to bed. So with a speaker in your bedroom, and it cannot be a mobile device speaker. Many of you know this, but each Nucalm track is 1, 2, 3 gigabytes of information, and a speaker and a mobile device can't support that. Get yourself a nice remote speaker, and you select play on Deep Sleep, any track you want, and guess what? We have Summer Rain, we have Sonic Essence, we have Sleep Melodies, we have great opportunity for you to press start, and then we put you to sleep. We gently and naturally guide your brainwave to the deepest form of sleep. Deep Sleep begins your night with 50 minutes of powerful patented physics designed to help you fall asleep. The rest of the Deep Sleep track, whether it's an 8-hour track or a 10-hour track, is sleep filler that helps improve your sleep quality. Deepest Sleep we launched in 2024. Deepest Sleep says, hey Kay, people are having difficulty with the onset of sleep. We get that. There's too much going on. We're too energized. And it's difficult. But people are also having difficulty when they wake up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. And their worry starts, and their anxiety starts, and then their cortisol starts, and the stress hormone. And they lie there perseverating over things they can't solve at 2:37 in the morning. But it interrupts their sleep, and they can't get back to sleep. So what we did is, okay, we see the pattern, we see the usage. We're going to add the 50 minutes of powerful physics at the beginning of Deep Sleep at hour 4. So Deepest Sleep has 2 areas where we're putting you to sleep. The beginning of your rest at night, and in the middle of the night when you wake up to go to the bathroom and you can't go back to sleep. And then we have Deepest Sleep Plus, which is in the Deepest Sleep category. Deepest Sleep Plus is for those who get into bed and don't want to fall right to sleep. Once you press start on Deepest Sleep or Deep Sleep, you're going to sleep. They want to ease into it. So we added a 20-minute rescue to the beginning of Deepest Sleep. So get this. We are now taking our technology, it's like alchemy, and saying, okay, people are having difficulty with the onset of sleep, here you go. People are having difficulty getting back to sleep when they wake up in the night to go to the bathroom, here you go. People want a slow entry and a comfortable, relaxing pace into sleep, here you go. Deepest Sleep Plus provides all of that for you. Speaker in your bedroom, sweet dreams.